famous lip stencil. Just put it on your face like this. And then you look like a fish.
Oh my god. There we are.
Well, this is very, very particular. This is really sexy. I love it.
Oh my god.
This is a real catastrophe.
How am I going to take this off? It's this.
This is a no. This is a no. Granny, I found the weirdest gadget ever. Do you want to look at it?
Oh. Oh! Okay, let's make a contest. Who can make as many push-ups?
Oh, you already know what it is?
1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh. No, it's not for me.
Not for me either.
No, stop, you look stupid.
Oh, come on. This is a very cool gadget. You can make your own homemade masks.
Welcome to use Smart Fruit Facial Mask Machine.
This is real magic, you see? Go, Granny. Go, Granny.
I did it!
Woo! Cool job. Then there is a little cap that you just have to put inside. So, I'm gonna put a bit of glitters. Yes, I hear you. Start button, all right?
Please wait while processing.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
The goal is to make me beautiful.
You already shine, okay?
It's just like an omelette.
Exactly. Oh, it's so sweet. I love it, actually. I really love it. I really like the idea, I like the design. And
Whoops.
who wants an omelet?
I'm not buying it, but she does.
Give me your money, give me your soul.
What is it?
It is called a cool gel mask. Granny, this is a thing. You have to try.
I can walk in the street at night, nobody will bother me. Thank you for making me discover this. I take it.
So I think it's a yes for my granny. So I want you to guess what it is.
It's not a crown.
No.
Curate? No. Lip pumper?
No. If I show you these two. Yeah, all right, you got it.
Oh. There we are. That's clever.
So this is called a nail polish holder. Actually, the green looks great on you.
I'm a rock and roll granny.
I think you found the best gadget here today.
Finally.
I love it. We love it.
It's a yes.
Imagine a new gadget that can curl your eyelashes in a few seconds.
You try first.
You don't trust me? Oh my god, I feel...
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, let me try.
It didn't work on me, actually, so maybe it's gonna work on you.
You know why it doesn't work? I didn't turn it on.
It seems like it's a bit weird. I mean, just use a simple one.
We agree. It's a no. Thank you for watching us. We enjoyed staying with you. Bye.